Welcome to Hardware's info. In front of me, Dell Chromebook 11, and now I'm gonna show you how to change date and time on this device. To change date and time on this Chromebook, you need to open the settings. Then in settings find device, or sometimes you can find it like me in date and time, but sometimes you can find the settings in device here. So if you have older Chrome OS versions, you can find it here. So I have it in date and time, and here you can change it. So you can change the time zone, for example, click time zone and just change it to the other one. For example, click choose from list and find your time. Go back, and here we can change even the time type, for example 24 hours or 12 hours only. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.